How do I make aromatherapy sleep spray? Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep? You might want to consider making your own aromatherapy sleep spray. This simple yet effective tool can help create a calming atmosphere in your bedroom. Let's go through how you can make it step by step. To start, gather your ingredients. You will need a spray bottle, preferably made of amber or dark glass. This helps protect the essential oils from light. Next, you need distilled water, which will serve as the base of your spray. You will also need witch hazel or vodka. This ingredient helps blend the oils and acts as a preservative. Now let's get to the fun part, choosing your essential oils. Some popular options for promoting sleep include lavender, chamomile, cedarwood, ylang ylang, and bergamot. Each of these oils has calming properties that can help you relax. Once you have everything, it is time to mix. Start by adding equal parts of witch hazel or vodka and distilled water to your spray bottle. A good ratio is 1 ounce of witch hazel or vodka to 1 ounce of distilled water for a small bottle. Next, add your essential oils. You can use between 10 to 30 drops total, depending on how strong you want the scent to be. For a soothing blend, try 10 drops of lavender, 5 drops of chamomile, and 5 drops of orange. After adding all the ingredients, close the bottle tightly and shake it well to mix everything together. It is important to shake the bottle before each use to ensure the oils are evenly distributed. When you are ready to use your spray, lightly mist it on your pillow, sleepwear, or bedroom linens about 15 minutes before bedtime. This will help create a relaxing environment that signals your body it is time to wind down. If you want to experiment with different scents, here are some common combinations. Lavender and chamomile work well together for relaxation. You might also try lavender, cedarwood, and orange for a woodsy aroma. Another option is lavender, ylang ylang, and bergamot for a floral and citrus blend. To get the best results, remember to use a dark glass spray bottle to keep the oils fresh. Store your spray in a cool, dark place to maintain its quality. It is also a good idea to test a small amount on fabric first to avoid any staining or allergic reactions. Incorporating this spray into your nightly routine can signal to your brain that it is time to prepare for sleep. Good sleep is essential for effective study habits and cognitive function. By creating a calming bedtime ritual, you can improve your sleep quality, making your study sessions more productive the next day. So, why not give it a try? Making your own aromatherapy sleep spray can be a fun and rewarding way to enhance your sleep environment.